Hi guys, it's Megan. It's Will. So my new name is lazer Bros. Max and Nate are in it. I'm doing it today. So yesterday I just got a laser bird. So I got this at Toys R Us in Danbury, Connecticut. I live in Ridgefield. I went to the mall yesterday, and then I went to Toys R Us. Well, there's a mall in Danbury. If you see the sign JCPenney, that means that's the mall. And so, speaking of the mall, let's talk about my Angry Bird. So, I got the laser bird yesterday. So, he has a lightning bolt for his hair. He can talk. 3 different sounds. It's the same sounds as the regular birds. Like this. Woohoo, and there's 3 sounds. I love pushing it. But I'm going to stop. He has a cape. His eyeballs are screwed because he has a mask covering his eyeballs. And eyebrows are orange now, and people didn't notice. First, I didn't notice that he had orange eyebrows. I thought he had brown eyebrows. If you think that, you're wrong. He has orange eyebrows, just like the bomber. Some of the birds still have the same eyebrows as regular. Yeah, the bomber has orange eyebrows. I have an Angry Birds tattoo. There's helmet pig, bombird, and yellowbird, my favorite. Laserbird's my favorite too. And he has a button on his weenie. See his weenie? That's where his button is. It's covering his weenie. He has a little button right here. He's purple because when the birds went into space, they went into a portal, and then they turned into these different kind of birds. And I'll be right back because I'm gonna go get the yellowbird where you can see them compared together. I'll be right back. Here it is compared to my other yellowbird. His eyeballs aren't screwed, and now he has red eyebrows. See, their eyebrows are different. And his beak, it does not have stuffing in it, because I push it in. You push it in, where it does not have stuffing in it. And like, you just have to do this to get it out. So he has white bottom too, but he does not have a cape. It's good because he's not a space bird yet. But now, so the pig stole the eggs, then he goes into space, into the warp, then gets striped and he turns into this, and he turns into Lazerbird. Then he goes back to this, and then he turns like hairy, like hair popping out. And then he goes out of the warp into space. Then he's Lazerbird, and he has hair. It's not a lightning bolt. It's just for. Oh yeah, the lightning bolt is spiky and it's like for like curves, not like spiky curves. He has three feathers for the tail. And I forgot to mention for the Lazerbird that you know this, but he does not have a tail, just like Lightning Bird. He does not have a tail. This one used to talk, but he doesn't talk anymore. He has a white bottom too. I mentioned that. And he does not have a button. It's good. So, let's battle. They're brothers. They're brothers. On EvanTube HD, when Evan showed the Mighty Eagle clay models, he said that they were brothers, the regular one and the Space Eagle. So I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and see our new brother tube. No, I mean the Sailor Bros video. So hope you subscribe. Wait, one thing. If you type the Super Mario Bros, it might show up the Sailor Bros or Mario Bros. Whatever. Bye bye.